Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku on your Nokia phone. First, navigate to your phone's main menu and find the Games folder. Open this folder to reveal your installed games. Look for the Sudoku application icon and select it. Once the game loads, you will typically be prompted to choose a difficulty level, such as easy, medium, or hard, before starting your first puzzle. It's a straightforward process to begin enjoying this classic number game. Understanding the basic rules is key to mastering Sudoku. Your goal is to fill a 9x9 grid with digits from 1 to 9. The crucial part is that each digit must appear exactly once in every row, every column, and every 3x3 subgrid within the larger grid. This means no repeating numbers in any of these designated areas. It's a logic puzzle that requires careful thought and deduction to place each number correctly. Inputting numbers into your Nokia Sudoku game is simple using the phone's keypad. First, highlight the empty cell where you wish to place a number. Then, press the corresponding digit on your keypad from 1 to 9. Many versions also offer helpful tools, like a pencil mark feature, allowing you to note down potential candidate numbers in a cell. Don't worry about mistakes. Most games include an undo option to reverse your last move, making learning easier. To become a Sudoku master, start with simple strategies. Focus on rows, columns, and 3x3 blocks that already have many numbers filled in. These often reveal the easiest placements. Look for cells where only one possible digit can fit. Regular practice is crucial for improving your speed and sharpening your logical deduction skills. Most importantly, enjoy the process of solving these engaging puzzles and the satisfaction of completing each grid. Happy puzzling!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.